Hello coders, welcome back again to Mastering Spring Cloud Microservice Playlist Day 5 session. So in this session, we develop Comment Microservice. Okay. So in a previous video, we develop a blog microservice. So in blog microservice contain like blog title and a blog description and a blog image. Okay. So if I'm user, if I'm creating a blog regarding like Spring Boot or a Java 8 feature, if other user have any question, user will ask the queries in a comment. So in a blog microservice, we call a comment microservice and a fetching all comment related to that particular blog. To save our time, I already copy the all code from our Spring Boot project, which we developed in our Mastering Spring Boot playlist. So if you don't have a knowledge of Spring Boot and you are new to our channel, I highly suggest you to check our Mastering in Spring Boot playlist and grab that all knowledge and come to a Spring Cloud playlist. Let's understand one by one, step by step, what code changes I did. So in a pom.xml, I added a required a dependency, which is like actuator. Then to connect with Mongo database, I use data Mongo. Then enable RESTful web service, I added Spring Boot starter.web, and we need to register our comment microservice to service discovery. So that will be achieved by using Eureka client. After that, let's jump to application.yaml file. So in application YAML file, I defined a port 8090 for our comment microservice. After that, I give one unique name, comment service, and Mongo database configuration. After that, we need to register our comment microservice to a service discovery. For that reason, we defined our service registry port. After that, I create one model class to store a data in our Mongo database. So it contain a comment ID, a title, then user ID, like which user create that particular blog. After that, the blog ID, because we need to fetch a comment with respect to a blog ID and when the blog is created and when the blog is updated. Then I create a comment repository, which is extended by Mongo repository because we're using Mongo database. In a service class, I create one method for create comment and a get a comment with respect to a blog ID, because in this Spring Cloud is all about a configuration. Here not be focusing on a development part. So after that, the end part is our controller. So in controller, I defined two controller, which is like performing a save operation, and one controller, which is getting a comment with respect to a blog ID. Okay. So this part is very important for us. Okay. Because our blog microservice fetching the comment information using this API. Okay. So there are basically three ways to communicate with two microservices. One using REST template, one using asynchronous communication using a Kafka or RabbitMQ, any messaging tool. And last one is using Flame client. So we are using Flame client over there. After that, in a DTO, I create comment request DTO to perform a save operation. And at the end, exception classes over there, custom exceptions, which we develop in our Spring Boot playlist. Yeah, that's it. The overall configuration we required. So let's run our application and let's see everything working fine or not. And don't worry, I share the Git repository link. The whole code will be available in our DevByte School GitHub repository. You can check the whole code. If you have any doubt, you can ask in a comment. Okay. Okay. One error is coming. So let's see what exact error is coming. Okay. So yeah, our comment microservice tried to deploy that in a localhost 8761, which is a service discovery server. We not yet developed that. Okay. That reason this error is coming. Ignore that error. In a day 6 video, we will develop the Eureka server, okay, which is one of the important part of a Spring Cloud infrastructure because it is a brain of our microservices. Okay, so if you not yet subscribe to our channel, I highly suggest you subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon. So when we upload the future video regarding this playlist, you get a notification. Okay, and we create one Telegram group. In that group, we share our important tips and tricks and important resource and our video updates. So join our group, link in the description, QR code come over there. Okay, if you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Let's meet on next video. Till then, keep upskilling, keep learning. Thanks for watching.